Hello and welcome back to my little fashion corner. Just me, the corner and a new bag apparently. I know I normally don't do unboxing, but I got a really nice handbag and then I had a really stressful couple of weeks at work. And when I was talking to a friend on a Friday afternoon and he asked me what I'm going to do over the weekend, I said probably work or read up on more work. And he said he couldn't have that and that I should record a video, and I felt like that could be a really nice idea and it would be really good to just go back to videos. So the first part is gonna be us talking about the handbag that I got and me just, pointing out a couple of things that I thought were a really nice touch, and just in case you're considering that bag, you're welcome to have a look with me. And then if you're interested in a slideshow of photos, that's gonna be after that video, because I feel like I should not be stretching the video for no good reason, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So let me get right to it. They're still using the old bags. So with the residency of Sean McGurr, Alexander McQueen became McQueen, but I still got the bag with the old logo. So presumably they're just like finishing up the stock. But the dust bag is already the new logo, and I think it looks really cool. It's like the old McQueen logo. Fabulous. So I've got the T-bar bag. The T-bar is something that Sean McGurr created, designed, and I thought it was really cool. I wanted initially, I wanted the Nebula handbag, and I thought it was really fabulous. And then I also saw the suede tote that's from the men's collection, but because I was looking for something that I'll wear to work on daily basis, well, weekly basis, more often than not, and I'd wear it on my shoulder, I was worried that it would rub off my clothes, so I decided to go for the leather. Now initially, how many times am I going to say initially? I wanted the black one, but as you know from the thumbnails and as you can see, I got the one in Ox. They call this shade Ox Blood. Let me get organized. Okay, this is the T-bar. It has a little McQueen logo right there. It's quite large. In comparison, I've got a baguette. So I don't know whether baguette for scale or the medium baguette for scale is a good one. Just so that you get an idea of how big the bag actually is. It's actually quite spacious. Now let me get this paper out. So that's the oxblood color, and the inside, the lining, is suede and it's also oxblood. And as you can see, it's got inside pockets over here. I'll have to trust editing Linda to do some better inside shots. But the inside is spacious. It is not really, there is no divider. It's just a hobo bag or whatever you call it. It has got two magnets here, well, one on each side, so that it snaps close. So when you do wear it under your shoulder, it is not completely open. And the shoulder strap is actually adjustable. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 holes here, and this is the middle. Now, right, and there's the logo, the McQueen, the new logo, the new branding. And as I said, the inside is lined with red suede. Now, I don't believe the black one is definitely lined with the black suede. It is very sturdy. It is not heavy at all, but the shoulder strap is quite thick, and I think it looks absolutely fabulous. Now, this color, this burgundy, apparently going to be the trend of spring 2025, or is already trending. I don't really follow trends, and I'm not really a person who wears red color, but I think it was such a nice addition. I did want to buy the black one, but when I got in, and the sales associate was so lovely that she got all 3 out for me, and I was just like comparing them and trying them on what looks like what. I really felt like this one was the most interesting out of them. The brown one had a really, like if Hermes was casual vibe. The leather, the color was very subtle. It was very stand-up. It was very cool, calm and collected. Black one was absolute like standard solid. If you want something low-key, something that doesn't stand out, goes with everything, that's your choice. And this one is just, if you didn't want to go for the standard solid, if you wanted to try something new, or if you are into burgundy, into red and burgundy, that just convinced me. Just walking into the shop and seeing it in person convinced me. The price, that's the current price, £2,100 sterling. Listen, it's just money, right? The inside pockets, hang on, editing Linda put in some better imagery. So inside pockets is one big zipped pocket, one pocket that is with a snap button, and then one card slot, kind of, sort of, if you want it. And then it also has a little hook or T-bar or half a hook, a little hook for your key or charm or something like that. It is really gorgeous and it is really sturdy, and as I said, it's gonna be my work bag, and I was looking for something that's just gonna live with me every day. I am going to trust Linda that she also took some full body pictures so that you can compare see the bag, how it looks on worn on the shoulder. Now, after we've done the thing and we saw all the post-production B-roll pictures, whatever, boutique in London, absolutely fabulous. I checked if I can take photos. They're completely fine with that, but they did ask me not to take any videos. So I've got some pictures. If you want to stay for the slideshow, it's coming right up. If you're not staying for the slideshow, thank you for being here and hopefully see you next time. So the McQueen boutique on New Bond Street, fabulous spot. It has a very lofty feeling. It's laid with wood. There's a tree branch going through it. It's really cool, and there is a staircase that takes you upstairs. I think downstairs was clothes and some handbags and accessories. Upstairs was men's shoes and all that whatnot. Extremely lovely stuff, extremely lovely place, and I saw mostly the pre-spring collection that was on the racks. It was really nice to see all the beautiful handbags in person. I am a big fan of McQueen clutches, and it was really just so mesmerizing to see them in person. This particular one that only has the T-bar with this black satin, just is a tiny clutch, absolutely stunning. You know, my birthday is coming up, just saying. Not that I have places to go, it was just so pretty. There's this beautiful pinstripe with the red. There's a couple of pair of shoes, absolutely incredible, and lots of leather, lots of suits, lots of jackets, as you might have expected. McQueen's traditional game is strong colors, so a couple of turtleneck sweaters that had really oversized collar, the turtle of the neck, the neck of the turtle. Some of the shirts had a really overexposed or over exaggerated color. It was really nice to see everything in person again. I haven't been really a long time, and seeing everything also pretty, it's kind of sort of made me sad that I only made myself swear that I only look at the handbag and not browse anything else because I couldn't trust myself. There's a couple of things that I do want to see from the spring collection that should be coming into the boutique soon, so hopefully I'll be back again. And that's pretty much my visit to McQueen in London. It was really nice. I think McQueen now is not really adhering to the standard of what you see in the fashion world, how McGurr sees the world right now. Lots of functionality, not very exposed skin. Really, I am a massive fan of what he's doing. Ever since he started, he's been facing lots of backlash on social media, lots of people really saying that this is nowhere near what Lee McQueen and what Sarah Burton have been creating. And I think that's part of the charm for me. I said that many times. I think he's incredibly talented. I love everything he's doing, really. And whilst I have been more than loyal to Fendi for a good amount of years, I think we're going to be seeing more of McQueen on this channel. I'm just really sad that many people continue to want him to sort of become the new Lee McQueen, which is obviously a lost battle because he is not him. He has his own style, his own ideas, his own design, his own pattern. And also, even if he was replicating one-to-one whatever design Lee McQueen created, people would not be satisfied whatsoever. So I'm certain that he doesn't care about my opinion, and I know that he's doing everything that he likes to do. I hope that he's doing everything he likes to do, but I wish people just let him do it. And it would almost be nice if internet people just like stopped. If you don't like it, it's not like we don't have a myriad of opportunities and options in the world of fashion. Alright, so that was me yapping about a new handbag and a little bit of the boutique. I'm hoping to go back to see the spring collection and bring back a couple of more photos and maybe shoes, maybe some clothes. Who knows? That's it for me. Thank you for putting up with me just in general. And I hope that your new year started on a high note and that you're only going to continue smashing it. Everything grand for you. So until the next time, bye!